जय माँ, सबको जय माँ। अभी मैं बना रही हूँ पनीर रोस्टेड सैंडविच, लाइक सैंडविचेस जो आप कभी कभी ऐसे दिल करता है कि मुझे कुछ खाना नहीं है, लंच नहीं करना है, आई जस्ट वांट टू हैव सम सैंडविचेस. इट्स वेरी कंफर्टेबल टू हैव सैंडविचेस. यू कैन कैरी इट व्हेन यू आर गोइंग आउट ऑफ टाउन ऑल्सो. ट्रैवल में भी आप उसको फॉइल में रैप करके आप ले जा सकते हैं एंड घर में भी खा सकते हैं. यू कैन हैव इट विद फ्रेंच फ्राइज और चिप्स और वट एवर यू वॉन्ट. Yummy sandwiches. So I'm making like 2-3 sandwiches. Today is one, tomorrow, day after that way. In the next video, you'll find different sandwiches. So let's begin. Now, in a plate, take 1 tablespoon of curd. सबसे पहले दही हो गया. उसके बाद you add Kashmiri chilli powder 1 teaspoon. It's only for color, so please do not panic. Then you add a little bit of hing in this, like a pinch of hing. We are marinating the paneer. That's what we are doing. Dry mango powder, which is amchur. Everything is 1 teaspoon. Then you add chaat masala. Again 1 teaspoon. You can add pav bhaji masala also in this if you want. If you don't want chaat masala, you can go for pav bhaji masala. I prefer chaat masala. Then this is garam masala, 1 teaspoon. All measurements are in the description, so you can check it out. And add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Then ये हाथ से करना पड़ेगा मिक्स. Go on stirring like this with your hand. Now see, I've got a paneer slab, so I'm cutting it in half. Then you cut this in half. This is how you do it. Cut this in half. So we get 4 pieces for 4 sandwiches. Now if you need more, we have more paneer. And what you do is, abhi ye dikha do. You marinate it in this curd mixture that we have done. This goes for marination and it goes in the fridge. Now I'll just shift this. Okay. So इसको अच्छे से cover करिए with the marination like this. Now we have to make tomato mixture. तो tomatoes को ना मैंने deseed किया है. You deseed 3 tomatoes and add it here in your mixing, wherever you want to mix it. Then chop coriander, hara dhania, add it in this. This is like a kachumbar we are making for the sandwich. So add all this and add 3 to 4 green chillies. Then you add salt and pepper. सॉल्ट. डीसीड क्यों करना है? बीज सब निकाल देना है क्योंकि वो पानी पानी हो जाएगा. Otherwise your sandwich will be very soggy. So you have to remove. And put tomato ketchup 1 or 2 tablespoons. Sorry. Mix. Lastly, add half a nimbu juice. And then mix again. Now this we will put in the fridge. Now the third component. ठीक है? So you take a mixer. उसमें मैं 3 मिर्ची डाल रही हूँ. 3 green chillies. Lots of coriander. इसमें आएगा कि नहीं, I don't know. We'll have to do it one more time. Piece of ginger. Then I'm putting a little bit, and then this we will grind later. Then you put 1 teaspoon sauf, fennel seeds. See? Tastes very good. And in this, what I have done is, I'll show you later. Let me finish this. 1 teaspoon jeera. And salt to taste. Now once we grind this, then I will tell you, I've taken 2 tablespoons of curd and I have put it in a strainer, you know, to remove all the water, so it becomes like a hung curd, which I will be mixing in the chutney. Once the chutney is done, then we'll put it in a bowl, and then you take these 2 tablespoons of curd, so it becomes like dahi wali chutney, you know, which we have to use for the sandwich. So let's do this, then I'll come back. See, this chutney is ready. Now this is the hung curd. मैंने 2 चम्मच लिया था, 2 tablespoon of dahi, and I have made the hung curd. और इसको हमेशा ना keep it in the fridge when you are doing hung curd. What happens is when you leave it outside, you have to keep it for many hours, right? तो वो उसमें वो खट्टा हो जाता है. See, this is the water that has come out of the dahi. So you have to remove the water. Now I will take this later. You mix it. See, yummy chutney. Take a cucumber, 4th component for the sandwich. उसको मैं बीच में से काट रही हूँ ऐसे. I'm not removing the seeds. फिर वो मोटा मोटा ऐसे काट लीजिए. Now the cucumber is ready. Now again this goes in the fridge. Everything goes in the fridge till the sandwich is ready. Now see, I got this lovely loaf of bread. इतना बढ़िया मुझे मिला है. So I've taken this. I think it's a little short. So कम पड़ेगा शायद. So I've got 2 of them. So let's see क्या होता है. And इसको ऐसा slant में काटिए. And thick pieces, because we are going to toast them on the tawa. बटर लगा के इसको टोस्ट करने वाले हैं हम लोग. So you know, I don't want so soft the bread. Look, it's all falling apart. Jemma, you know, I forgot to add kala namak in the paneer marination. So we are doing it now. And then just we'll cover the whole thing with kala namak. 1 teaspoon of kala namak. Kala namak is important. I don't know how I forgot. And then you keep your flame on and very little oil on the tawa to shallow fry. बहुत थोड़ा डालो, बहुत कम है. अब एक एक पनीर का टुकड़ा डालो. साइड साइड पे डालो ताकि सब आ जाए. स्लो रखना गैस. अभी नहीं हिलेगा नहीं. सब डाल दो. आएगा नहीं आएगा. Now flip. Otherwise you can get अमूल का जो मिलता है ना ब्लॉक, वो थोड़ा हार्ड रहता है. So you know it's easily हो जाएगा. See how beautiful it looks. Flip it like this. This is ready. Now we will start toasting the bread. Take a wallop of butter. Butter लेके you take your bread. And swirl it like this. तवे का चाहिए, थोड़ा दबाना पड़ेगा. Okay. Now all the components are ready. See, the bread is here. We need iceberg. उसको shred करके मैंने रखा है. You can take iceberg, you can take lettuce. I always prefer iceberg. Chutney is here, the dip, with the curd. Paneer is here, and the kachumber, the filling is here. Now we assemble everything. So see how I do it. You take your bread. Now first take the shredded cabbage. Or cabbage kya? Iceberg. Put it on a sandwich. Then take your paneer. Put it on that. इसमें डालिए. Then you take your tomatoes. Fill it up. जितना रहता है उतना करिए. Then take your cucumber. इसके ऊपर. You have to go on piling it up like this. जितना आता है. Then you take a little bit of salt and pepper, not much, because थोड़ा थोड़ा हमने डाला है salt and pepper. And on the other side of the bread, you apply your dip. कंजूसी नहीं करना. And then you cover it this way or this way and press it down. And your sandwich is ready. See? Same way you do the other one. See the sandwich? Look at the filling. Hana? Yummy, yummy stuff. So try it. I'm making two and showing you. You can do the rest. It's so beautiful. See? Try it. Let me know. It's really delicious. See, when you're serving now, you can serve it on a platter like this. You can put some, see, lettuce all around it like this. I'll decorate it and show you. Put some cucumber on one side. So it looks pretty, and you can serve it this way. Jai Ma, try it. I'll see you next time.